little bit of a colder morning today. I was expecting it to be like yesterday with the sun out. It was warm, but today it's cold. If the sun's out in the winter time, then you'll see all these alligators. They'll come up on the bank and hang out in the sun, so that's why it's a cool time of year to go to places like this. But and plus they're more lethargic, which makes me a little bit less scared. Springtime I know is a bad time because that's when they spawn or mate. So, you could get aggressive alligators, but right now they're lethargic. I see one cruising up there. Let's see if we get closer. One under. These are probably good spots to try to throw some of my live bait at. Yeah, I did started going down the south side, but I wasn't getting any luck. So I'm gonna try more on the north side where I was catching a lot more fish last time. Water temperature 65 degrees. That's pretty cold. First fish of the trip. A little peacock. Oh. There it is. It's really small. Another little peacock. Probably some Oscars. Oh man. There we go. Woo. There we go. Kind of what I'm going after today is some Oscars. Last time they're a lot of fun to catch. They're very invasive. And they're actually delicious. The red dot. Put him in the cooler. Ooh. Another one back. There we go. Nice. Woo. Another peacock. He actually hit a dead bait. I was just jerking around. Woo. Woo. Little peacocks are fired up today. Little guys. Hey. Oh. Got another one. Another Oscar. Woo. Going in the cooler. My last guy. My last little guy. Oh God. Hopefully this little guy catches a monster. Oh. that him? Yeah. Nice. Woo! Nice size one too. Woo! Nice, another peacock on the Missouri. Damn, bro, you're looking up for it. Woo! All I did was cast the line net. Oh, damn! Two in the same spot. Woo! Oh yeah, nicer one. Woo! Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, Missouri might be the way to go. It's a nicer one. Woo! The wind picked up a lot, so just trying to make it back to the car. Trolling, but whatever. I don't even want to catch anything right now because how bad it is. Woo! And this is a big fish. Back at the boat ramp. I was trying this little jig for Oscars, but it's too windy, and I was in the kayak. It was a little too tough. But if I were to do it again, I would have probably brought some minnows. You know, there's shiners and then there's minnows, which are even smaller, and I would have got the smallest hooks I could if you're going just for the Oscars. These things look so gross, but they clean up nice. Look at that dog drool. Yeah. Here's one of the smaller ones. See, I'm not the best at filleting, that's why I really don't videotape me filleting, but that's off of four Oscars. You know, the biggest thing is just trying to keep it clean. Don't let that canal water get back on it, even though that's some good seasoning. There's all my fillets. It looks not that good, it looks orange, but once it cooks, it turns into like a really white, flaky meat. I'm using these coconut breadcrumbs, and I'm just gonna, it's like half water, half egg wash, so I'm just gonna dump that into there, put these into there, shake it, and add it to the hot oil. Fresh lettuce from the garden. It's delicious. Look at that.